Hey there. Welcome back to Quiz Bam. Today, we got a 30-question Guess the Fast Food Restaurant by Emoji challenge. Can you name them all? Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ready for the first question? Here it is. Guess the fast food restaurant by Emoji. McDonald's. Impressive start. Determine the fast food place based on these emojis. Taco Bell. What's your answer to this question? Starbucks, a popular fast food chain. Don't miss out on this opportunity to score big. Guess now. Burger King. What do these emojis stand for? Pizza Hut! So yummy! Can you pick out the genuine logo? Ting ting! B is the real logo with a green color. Try to figure out this famous fast food restaurant. Shake Shack. Their most famous meal is the Shack Burger. What's your final answer? Five Guys. KFC. It specializes in fried chicken. What's the name of this well-loved fast food place? Wendy's. Can you identify this fast food chain? It's Domino's Pizza. Which fast food chain do you think this is? Panda Express. Which answer do you think is right? Look at these emojis. It is Applebee's. Guess the fast food restaurant from this clue. Spot on! Popeyes! Do you recognize which restaurant's logo this is? It belongs to Marco's restaurant. Solve this 2-emoji puzzle. You got it! This is Steak and Shake. It's time to rack up those points. Don't hesitate. In-N-Out Burger. Which well-known fast food restaurant is this? Bingo! It's Red Lobster. Correct guess. This is Arby's. Watch the positions and remember each emoji spot. Do you remember the positions of all the emojis? And then, can you say the position of the taco? Yeah, the taco can be found in position 4. Can you name the fast food restaurant from these emojis? Waffle House! So yummy! Chipotle. Which fast food restaurant is hidden in these emojis? Right on! This fast food brand is Church's Chicken. Can you figure out the fast food spot using these emojis? Dairy Queen. Decode the fast food restaurant from the emojis. Dunkin' Donuts is the correct answer. Can you identify the real A&W logo from these options? The real A&W logo with an orange and brown circle around. Did you guess right? Chick-fil-A with many delicious chicken fries. Do you recognize this iconic fast food brand? Subway. Have a shot at naming this restaurant. Perfect! It's Jack in the Box. Identify the fast food place using these emojis. Papa John's. Have you ever eaten here?
Thank you for joining us in today's challenge. Share your results with everyone in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any upcoming challenges. We hope you had a great time, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!